Smash Tutorials!
What's up guys, my name is
Smash Tutorials!
and today I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook page without name. So yeah, go to create page, choose category. Sorry for my English, I'm not American or I'm not from United Kingdom. I'm from Croatia and we don't speak English there. So yeah, now in name type the symbol that I will give you into description. Now fill it with informations however you want. Skip. Now go to update page info, edit on name, go to edit and type in nothing, delete the symbol. Go to new page and there isn't name, there isn't any name. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, like, subscribe and comment. See you next tutorial. I hope you like this video. Goodbye.